race car?
Yes, I'm a real race car. What do you think? Look at me.
I have followed the racing my entire life, my whole...
To fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you breaking him up, yo?
For a quick breather, kid. Old Mac needs a rest.
Absolutely not. We're driving straight through all night till we get to California. We agreed to it.
All night? We are...
Gentlemen, when I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, Faith.
No friend of mine will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with my Uncle Topolino!
Luigi, Guido, get back!
Is part of the next generation of high-tech racers, unlike the veterans of yesterday.
What, old-timers like this guy?
To fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you breaking him up, yo?